Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is November 11th, 2025, Tuesday, second trading day of the week. Let's take a look at FinVis here and see how the market is doing here. Generally, the AI sector is taking a hit, and then we have Google, Meta also taking a hit here, and Tesla, Amazon. The rest are all green. So, what are the sentiments here? Nvidia slides leading Nasdaq and S&P 500 lower. So, bank just sent this update signal about the economy. Let's take a look. We leave banks more vulnerable to unexpected shocks. Okay. Uh, AI valuation worries resurface. Okay. ADP data points to softer job markets here. Okay. So generally, it looks like quite bearish here. Okay, let's take a look at the watch list. As usual, I'll look at the VIX here, plus 0.68%. Generally, market is quite neutral here. Pfizer, significant moves, plus 2.1%. STZ, plus 2.59% here. CRWV, very huge bearish price action, minus 12.79%. I'm expecting it to be recovering to 100 again. So let's monitor and see how CRWV will behave. But it's a good opportunity to put in more puts to sell so that you can get CRWV at a cheaper price here. NBIS plus 2.1%, quite a significant move, and AMD minus 2% here. The rest are all quite neutral. Let's take a look at some of the trades that are being placed here. Okay, so today, what was being placed? Let's see. Okay, sold more puts for CRWV expiring this Friday at $85 strike price here. Why $85? Because of the 87 cents here, so it's 1% in premium. And why I choose to sell CRWV now? Because I was monitoring the price action. There's a minus 12 to 13% drawdown, so I believe that it will retrace back to another 5 to 6% there. So that's why I'm expecting CRWV to rebound from this level. And got a credit of 0.87 cents. CRWV call decided to roll from December 12th to December 26th here, getting a premium of about 80 cents here. Why I choose to roll this? Because the percentage value has already decreased more than 50%. There's less than 50% left in this position. So I'm selling, actually, I'm rolling calls here from December 12th to December 26th. Why December 26th? Because I chose a delta about 0.25 to sell this calls here. Usually delta 0.1 to 0.3, you can just choose the expiration date. Got a credit about 80 cents here for doing so. Next, close my VIX calls here because VIX is slightly negative, so time to get some profit. Got a credit of 0.18 cents here. Next, decided to roll my POET $6 strike price to from November 21 to December 19 here. 1 month roll here, got a credit about 0.29 cents here. Same for $7 strike price at November 21. Roll it to December 19. Same, got a credit about 0.26 cents here. So why I do this? Because there's more than 100% in value left for this. So it's about 180% for this position. So I decided to reset the whole status here. Overall, that's all. So it's a credit for today. So remember to like this YouTube video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and then have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.